Before the video starts, I do want to say that me and my friends do have a podcast. It is called Not Another Teen Podcast, where we go over teenage movies and coming of age movies. And we just finished our first episode, which should be up by the time this video goes up. So I will leave a link to that down in the description below so you guys can go check that out. Now on to the video. How's it going, guys? Chris FM here, and I am going to be reacting to MGK's Pretty Toxic Revolver. I know on my last video y'all wanted me to react to more MGK, so I'm going to do that. This was recommended by this guy right here, and also oh, what the heck? No, I'm not gonna do that. Get that out of here. Before I start the video, I do want to thank you guys for getting my last video to 2,000 views. That's insane to me. Like, I never thought any of my videos would get past like even 50 views. And some of them don't, which I'm okay with, but I just enjoy making videos. I just want to thank y'all for that, because that really does mean a lot. I hope you guys will continue to, watch my videos, continue to like them, continue to, comment suggestions and everything. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Pretty Toxic Revolver.
Danger. One of us just lost our savior. Gotta maintain when you're going insane, so I say this prayer. Dear God, why do I need this medicine to control my anger? And do you even exist? They're trying to say it's a myth. A lot of things left unsaid, a lot of things left unanswered. My aunt just passed from cancer. Dad just got out of rehab, and mom's never gonna show up. Gotta grow up, ride with me through the memories inside of me. To the nights I was hooked on the ivory. Head hurting all week cause of bad coke. Then the same week people overdose, that's fucked up. But I guess I lucked up, and I feel his pain because it probably won't be until the day I die that they love us. But trust, every nomination I don't get, every list that I ain't on, is a reminder of why I wrote songs in the first place, as a way to escape where I came from. This just my pretty toxic, heavy conscience, weighing on my soul. 6 shots in my revolver when I'm on my own. Play this song on the first day I am gone.
Ooh.
I do not want you to cry. Legends never die. I hope our story's told, and the years spent on that road. Before they came to our shows, we were creating our lane. I hope they pave it in gold. Take me home, somewhere I belong.
Oh my god, this beat.
Somewhere foreign, looks like Dali's drawing. Yeah. Isn't it funny that whenever you got a vision, a mission, and a couple of plans to go with it, somebody gotta come along mad and damage it like a cancer that inhabits, never vanishes. I manage to smoke 5 grams of cannabis and still keep my stamina for the fans and the goddamn cameras that attack my stance like evangelists. I said truth and they couldn't handle it, so when it sinks, you stand in it. I guess this is my Titanic with no James Cameron to direct this draft of it. Just my pretty toxic, heavy conscience weighing on my soul. 6 shots in my revolver when I'm on my own. Back against the wall, they got me anxious, helpless, frigid, cold. Late nights, drinking on my own. Now I'm fearless, Al Capone. To my dearest, I ain't going.
But where he at? Because I feel like you can see his breath in that scene. Dang. That was actually really freaking good. Ever since this quarantine started, MGK has been dropping like some pretty good songs, I'm not gonna lie. I guess I should listen to some more of his stuff, because this is actually shocking to me. I've always seen him, I guess, kind of as like a mumble rapper, but Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please sure to smack the like button, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.